Hey, Becks Floor Installations. My name is Devin. I talked to you guys earlier today about sending over the short video. So here it is. Thanks for clicking on it. I'm just going to quickly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix super easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. You're probably wondering why I make this video for you, and it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there that are too busy running their business and just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing that stops them from hiring somebody to help is they don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. So I started to give away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, and some people don't, and use this information on their own. And it doesn't matter to me. I'm just trying to help and educate as many business owners as I can. And today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. And the reason is because this is what the Google algorithm looks for as far as ranking websites. So first, content. Content is anything you can read on your website and pictures as well. So what you got right here? So you got a picture of you, and I'm assuming your wife, which is great, adds more of a personal touch to your website, and some content right here, which is great. You do have a decent amount of content. With content, it's really the more the merrier. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 to 2,000 words. That's right where you want to be sitting. By looking at your site, it doesn't look like you fall into that range, so I do highly recommend that you get there. So what I did was I typed in Mesa flooring, and what came up was this competitor right here, Baker Bros. So we'll take a look at their website, and it's actually a back page, as you can see here, Baker Bros slash Mesas, because they have lots of different locations. So it's not going to be as strong as their whole website. So it's not. So you could definitely outrank them easily. And what I also did was I searched up flooring Phoenix to show you, kind of give you an idea, and I'm going to tell you how you could do it, of how to rank in Phoenix if you were looking to target that area. So let's go back to your site. So these guys also don't have 1,500 words of content, and we'll take a look at their site. The guys in Phoenix. Let's see. So they also do not fall in that 1,500 word range. So in Google's eyes, you are all not considered authority figures. But if you do get yourself to that 1,500 word range with relevant content to your industry, not just any content, you're gonna pull ahead of them, and you're also gonna leave room to add keywords, which is the important part. So keyword is anything. So when I type into Google looking for a particular service or product, such as flooring Phoenix or flooring Mesa. So one thing you could do, or one way you could incorporate this in your content, is by saying, "We offer." Sorry, my Wi-Fi is being a little not really cooperating right now. But back to your page, you could incorporate. Man, you could say, like, for example, "We offer the flooring Phoenix residents love," or "We offer the flooring Mesa residents love." And you can also go ahead and save your images as keywords. There we go. Yeah, so saving your images as keywords. So if I go here, right click this and hit save image as, instead of saving it as this, Dave and Misty, you could save this as flooring Phoenix or flooring Mesa to help you rank for that keyword. So my second tip for you today is called backlinks. So backlink is anywhere you'll find one website linked to another via clickable text, or anywhere another website is linked to yours, driving traffic to it. So this is crucial because Google's like a popularity contest, and you want to see trustworthy websites vouching for yours. You want to see relevant links, not just any website linking to you, which means you will get more power with other flooring companies linking to you versus having a company like Starbucks linking to you, because Google knows you guys do not sell lattes. The tool I use up here to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but there are plenty of other free ones out there. Ahrefs says here that you have 16 websites linking to you and 517 backlinks, while your local competitors have 13 websites linking to them and 18 competitors. So you're probably wondering why they're outranking you when you have more websites and more backlinks. That's because not all backlinks are created equal. So some may be more powerful than the other ones. The more powerful ones come from other highly rated websites or other websites in the same industry as you. So let's go over here and check out your competitor in Phoenix. So you could search up. So here it says they have 110 websites linked to them and 1,000 backlinks as well. So what you could do is, if you were looking to rank in this area, is what I'd do is I'd go into these websites and I get them linked back to me as well. Because if these links are good enough to rank them, they're also good enough to rank you. So I'd go into these links, find the relevant ones, the ones that have to do with what you have to offer, and the ones that are relevant to your industry, and I'd link them back to my site. And with those 2 tips, the tips on backlinks and content, that is how you take over that #1 spot on Google organically. So the last thing I'm going to show you how to do is show up right here in this map pack, the Google Business Profile section or Google Map Pack section. To show up here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere your business name number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile in directories. Directories are places like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB, and others you may have heard of where you can list your business information. These are extremely important for local businesses because they can generate huge amounts of revenue. The idea is that these begin to add up, creating your online presence, allowing you to be seen more often by both people and Google. And once you're seen on Google more than your competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. So what I'd do is I'd figure out what directories your top competitors are in, put myself in those same ones, and add a bunch more on top of that. So this is all I have for you today. I really hope you find this video helpful and informative. I try to keep it short to the point for you. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research for you to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Even if you're not interested, if you wouldn't mind just leaving me a quick line of feedback in response to the email, just to let me know if these videos are actually helping and providing some value. And if you are interested, please feel free to give me a call at 805-750-7008 or reach out by email. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.